In this video, we're going to go over the micro SaaS of the week, and I'm going to go over how you can build it if you want to clone this micro SaaS, plus how you can market it. So that's probably the more interesting part. So let's get right into the video. The micro SaaS of the week is being listed on acquire.com for 2.5 million. This is the startup, and basically they are a lead generation platform for businesses that generate and build email lists. They help you get customers for your startup or business. And you can see that they did 49,000 last month, and most of it was profit, partly because they say that all of it was organic traffic. In the last 12 months, they've done close to $600,000. So this is Exploding Insights Pro in the acquire.com database. You can do this for free if you just browse acquire yourself, but it's nice and easy just to have this nice UI, and the data is updated in case the listing gets taken down. So it's nice, but you don't need it if you're on a budget. This is the actual acquire listing. It gives you a lot of information, especially on what they've already tried and all their competitors. So even if you don't have Acquire Pro, and I don't have it, but you can still get a lot of useful information. So basically you can scroll down and see like all their competitors, plus stuff that they suggest you doing if you acquire this business. They suggest are like doing SEO, content marketing, probably ads and other stuff, because they're mostly on like organic traffic right now. So this is their competitor, and this is useful, especially if they don't actually say what their startup name is. You can get a sense of what their product is based on their competitor. This is one of their competitors, which is called Uplead. And what they do is real-time verified B2B emails, mobile numbers, and intent data. It's a pretty basic thing where they probably give you a list of emails. You can contact them through cold email or calling and pitch your service or product. You can see their product in here, which is just a database. So it's pretty easy build. If you wanted to clone this, you would scrape all of this information from LinkedIn, Twitter, or find their emails and names on Google. But like the more interesting side is how do you clone what they did with traffic and marketing. So building this is probably going to be 10% of their business. 90% is figuring out how you can acquire customers to actually buy your product if you want to clone them. They mentioned all their traffic was organic. So basically we can check how do they get their organic traffic. I've already researched this before. You can see search by industry. They have all these individual pages based on specific like job titles. So you can see that they have attorney email list, CFO email list. So basically this is programmatic SEO, where you just like create pages for occupations. One opportunity is to create more of these pages. For Uplead, they only have 50 or so pages. First, get a list of all the occupations in the world. So basically air crew members, air traffic, what. So these are like super long tail SEO basic keywords that are not searched a lot, but when they are searched, they're really high intent. So instead of just having these here, you can have pages for like email list of animal trainer, and then you can create pages for all these and more pages based on the city or state. So instead of just animal breeders globally, what you can do is animal breeders in New York, in any country or city. You go really niche on the pages. Plus you can even probably go like animal breeders that make over $50,000. One really good example site is Built With. So they are basically like a database like software product as well, and what they do is they have like super niche pages. So you can see that if you click on any of these pages, you'll see that they have these pages like e-com sites that have at least 20,000 products, or e-com sites that have at least 10,000 products. And then as you click on this is a separate page that has data that's very filtered, and what you can do is just figure out like what people care about and then create individual pages based off of those queries. So that's one super easy way to kind of expand on their organic traffic, which is just to create more niche pages. And then the other way is to do more organic content on YouTube. You can see all their traffic is from Google. You can create specific videos on how to like increase the sales if you're a dog owner, right? Okay, so one example product is this site or product called Apollo. So basically what Apollo is, it's like a database, but their entire database is just people off of LinkedIn. That's like the one-line pitch, but you can see the content they create is how do you make more money with this product. Here are some of the examples. If you are a animal trainer and you want to increase your business by 10%, right? Like you would create content around that, and what you can do in the video is say, use my product that has a list of animal owners in this city and contact those, and that would increase your revenue, right? So you would create super specific videos on how you can help the customer make more money and basically plug the database as a solution for it. So the database would have like emails or social medias of people that would potentially buy the product, and basically you're just selling data people that are interested. So that's the entire play with the YouTube. And I think with the YouTube, I would like probably divide it up the niche. So I wouldn't have one YouTube channel with all the like videos of every niche. I would create specific YouTube channels. So let's say I'm trying to sell to bakers, and I would just create a channel called Bakers Revenue Increaser or whatever. And like the only topic on that channel is how do you make more money as a baker owner. So that's the entire angle. And then like you would just scale it across different niches based on the occupation. And then obviously it's like really probably challenging because there are so many occupations, but like the way that I would choose like which one to pick is based off the competition. So if it's hard or not, plus how much the occupation would pay. So let's say you have the option of choosing between like bakers or doctors, right? And let's assume that the difficulty between both are the same. You would pick doctors because they are willing to pay a lot more because people pay doctors more. It's like a balance between the competition plus the profitability of that niche. And then the great thing is you can scale it across so many different niches. So yeah, that's the play. This is the other week. I will do another one next week. So I will see you guys later.